kan unaw thiante university graduate na an nei dona chumi hmuna kan kalve a voin hi mi sang chuang graduate na nei turani aro pui em a ke phei chu ka voi ni thlenna ni to a ule naw thian tha ten lo mu ve se ti ka du a toi teng ka lo da don ani
Leadership feeling ai di
ma
ibe
Is why I think I'm choosing to come back. The first time I stepped on the campus as a student, I was exiting Joffrey Hall and
It is our privilege to present to you Shay Bernhardt, Student Marshal for the College of Liberal Arts and Sciences. Shay is accompanied by her university escort, Kate McNabb, and by Dean Benjamin Withers. At this time,
Only chemistry.
Congratulations. You can now please be seated.
The candidates from each college will walk to the side stairs.
University Student Marshal Aaron Lauda with the best learning, not as a series of requirements to complete things in meaningful and
Megan Lauren Lee. Watson Wallace Fair. Mallory David. Caleb Zane. Grace Christensen. Mackenzie Blythe. Alexis Burns. Emma Wiener. Leah Becker. Paige Curran DeWinter. Bridget Marie Weber. Sabah Arshad. Hannah John. Kaylin Elizabeth Sears. Varunavi Prasad. Bryn Ray Rice. Marissa Taylor Johnston. America Mungia Morel. Guadalupe Granlan Perez. To President Cook.
Degrees in public relations and management, law.
Alexa Elliott. Zachary Hill. Amaya Naomi Brooks. Min Kwak. Alice Joan Coates. Val Noon Hui. Hannah DeSito. Jaisha Manwani. James and Rayrup James. Kevin A. Mohammed. Sean Swoboda. Mira Koyamokis. Cooper Spitzner. Lutek. Claire Hannah Tynan. Rachel Frost. Ethan Overall. Raquel Tenbrink. Lucas Narona Hero. Mariah Rachel. Solomon Yami Stark.
For the individuals who supported them to reach this important. 1, 2, 3, congratulations, let it fly. Well done. Now, please remember.
quay rau phủi đi cái xin son giỏ tiếp đơn để xuất alai salami pangpara pe veni ni moi lu tu Nấu trắng thì nó môi chim tổ đô na thì ăn mà ni muốn ăn lẩu mà nè hết thế là mai một tô được rong rong này mất tô thêm tắm được cái also pada graduate hanya fel tosin fa pate he fel to lu ka buaya la vetre ton